You doing today?
I'm good. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking me. Are you ready for a new day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. All right. So I would want to know more about you, considering we are having this session for the first time. So if you can introduce yourself, please.
I'm Sonam. I'm from Uttarakhand.
Hmm?
Currently, I live in Hyderabad,
Hmm?
and I'm a homemaker, and I have two kids.
Hmm?
Regarding my education, I have completed my master in mathematics, and I also have BEd. Yes, now
Okay. Great.
I'm enthusiastic about learning the language English. So this is little bit about me, ma'am.
Okay, great, wonderful. That's great to know that you have you have graduated in the courses that you mentioned, and now you're interested in learning this language, which is great. I appreciate your spirit. Anything else that you like to do during your free time as part of hobbies and interests?
Ma'am, nowadays I'm busy with my kids, so I
Hmm.
don't enough time to do something else. But yeah, I
Okay.
just wanted to speak in
Hmm.
English, so I think why not
Hmm.
I use my time.
Okay, 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 great, wonderful. That's good. That whatever time you're getting, you've decided to use it in learning this language. Great, wonderful. Nice to know about you, Miss Sona. I'll introduce myself now. As you already know, my name is Meghna. I hail from a city called Mysore, which is in Karnataka. I have been a virtual tutor for over 3 years and an offline educator for children for 2 years. So this is about me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So let's get started with our session. Today's topic is exploring childhood. Are you okay with this topic? You can take a look at it. You can open the session notes. You can take a look at it. Now, I would like to ask you what kind of personality did you have when you were a child? Because the kind of personality we had in our childhood is very different from the way we are now, right? So, what kind of personality did you have when you were a child?
An obedient child, ma'am. I
Hmm.
always, I always do good thing.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
all villagers, and I live in the time I live is village, so all villagers and
Hmm.
other people say always save us and obedient and good child and
Hmm.
intelligent child.
Hmm.
So that type of personality. Yes.
Hmm. Okay. 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 Can you tell? Yeah. What were these activities? Like, for example, if you meant to say that I was a good child, chances are maybe you helped your parents, right? You obeyed to all that they said, right? So if they advised you, please don't go out and play after 7, you wouldn't do that. Is that
Yes.
what you meant to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So those are the examples I was trying to understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So because when you say I always do good thing, we are not sure what exactly that is, right? So we have to give example, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And because it is in past tense, you will say I was always a good child, or I was always a good student, and I obeyed my parents and teachers, right? I did good things. Exactly, you can't say that, right? But you could tell what did you do that made you an obedient person, correct? Okay, wonderful. Right. Now, I want you to tell me what is your most treasured memory about your childhood? By treasured, what I mean is something which is priceless. which is very priceless memory that you have, or a memory which is close to your heart, if you could share with me about your childhood.
Ma'am, if I
Hmm?
talk about my childhood, so
Hmm?
this was not good time for me.
Okay, okay,
I want to
okay.
something about my childhood time.
Oh, okay.
It's not good for me because, ma'am, when I was in 10-year old, that time my mother passed away.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that.
No,
Yes. So if you're not comfortable with the topic and if you wish to change, please let me know.
no,
Okay?
no, I okay with this topic. So
Are you okay? Okay, fine. Yes. But please don't get yourself worked up. But if you want to change the topic, we could do that as well. Don't worry about it.
yeah,
Okay?
no, I am okay with this topic because
Okay.
this is a part of
Okay.
my life. So
Okay. 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 All right. I hope you're okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Right. You are extremely brave. I must say that. You're extremely brave, right? And you're doing a good job.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I can't describe my childhood one sentence and one paragraph, but but
Yes.
I tried.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That time I was innocent because
Ah.
I was only 10 years old, so I don't know
Hmm.
about this. My
Hmm.
my father passed away, so but my
Hmm.
grandmother were with me,
Hmm.
so I'm
Hmm.
okay
Hmm.
and I was enjoying my life
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
child was very innocent. That they
Hmm.
don't do think about this what
Hmm.
happens.
Hmm.
When I was in 15
Hmm.
years old, that
Hmm.
time
Hmm.
my mother passed away.
Okay. Okay.
That
Right.
time I can say so.
Hmm.
About after that, I
Hmm.
was and I was feeling very.
Hmm.
You can say
Feeling low. You were feeling very low,
that time
right?
10th standard that so
Hmm.
and exactly my age 15 years old
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
I know I that time I
Hmm.
knew about thing what happens with me
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
so my life that
Hmm.
was stuck them but
Yes. Right.
I have two siblings my younger
Hmm.
and my
Hmm.
younger sister, but
Hmm.
yeah
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
my whole time with the start was start.
Hmm. Yes, it felt as though your whole world had come to a standstill, right?
Yes.
Your whole world had come to a standstill, and it's extremely difficult to digest that fact, right?
You can
Because Lou,
imagine how difficult life when you have
yes,
now.
absolutely. Absolutely right, because that is the crucial stage of your life where you need guidance, right? And if that person who gives you guidance is not there, it's unbelievable. You can't take it, right?
Yes,
It feels very difficult, right?
yes.
Hmm.
So I always when that time I was in 15-year old, so
Hmm.
my mother were with me and
Hmm. Hmm.
the brother and sister we have.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
I
You're
struggled a lot.
right. Overcame that situation which was so difficult, right? And here you are, you're doing so well.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
This time I think about that situation, I always think how
Yes.
I'm doing all these things. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Absolutely. So you could tell me about your children. What do you like about them? What do you wish for them?
I always give
Hmm.
them best because
You want to give them the best. right? You don't want to deprive them of anything. Deprive, right? You don't want to deprive them of anything, right? Wonderful. Yes, deprive. So deprive, basically, I'll just add that word in the chat box for you. Deprive is when something is less or something which is not there for someone. That is called as deprive. For example, if I say I'm deprived of sleep, which means I didn't get good hours of sleep. Good hours of sleep. Okay, that is the meaning of deprive. So I was deprived of love and affection during my childhood. It means I did not get or I got less love and affection during childhood. Okay, that is the meaning of deprived. Okay, so you don't want to deprive your children of anything. You don't want to give anything less to them, right? But you want to make sure you give them everything possible,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Oh, what was your childhood ambition? Like when you were younger, let's say earlier than 10 years, when you were 10 years, below 10 years, when you were below 10 years, what was your dream? What did you want to become?
Time when I was in 12-year-olds and 10 years old, yes, I was always go to teacher. I always
You wanted to become a teacher when you were 12 years old. Okay, wonderful. Why teacher? How did you get that inspiration?
I always interested, ma'am.
Okay, you were always interested. Okay, Sonam, so with this, we have come to the end of our session. Okay, and I'll get into the feedback part. Firstly, it was wonderful meeting you and knowing about you. And I want to tell you, you're extremely brave and you have been such a wonderful person, right? Kudos to you for that. I must say that. Okay, the areas where you require improvement is firstly, I would suggest you to use earphone or a headphone, Sonam. Okay, the reason being, when you speak through an earphone, your speech would be clearer. People can hear it better. Okay. So I would suggest you to use an earphone with a microphone in it, right? That way it becomes easier for the other person to hear what you are saying. Okay. That's first thing. You make a lot of tense mistakes, especially past tense, right? That requires improvement. And overall, your vocabulary is weak, which is not able to which is why it's becoming difficult for you to express yourself, right? So I would tell you to start by learning by going through grammar first. Okay, because grammar is the basis of the language, right? So start understanding the grammar parts with a lot of examples.